and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be cooking pumpkin curry with black shrimps. My oil is hot. I'm going to add the black shrimps. I have seafood seasoning, garam masala, and Indi curry powder. I have ground garlic, wiri peppers, and onion. I'm gonna add this to the shrimp. This one. Now we're gonna add pumpkin. Cover this and we're going to continue cooking. Now I'm going to add boiling water to the pumpkin. Green onion. I'm going to cover and continue. Seime and eddo curry with shrimps. Now I'll mix the masala. I have black pepper, Indi curry powder, Lalah curry powder, curry leaf, salt, seafood seasoning, and garam masala. To that I'm going to add ground onion, wiri pepper, and garlic. Some water. Mix this into a paste. My oil is hot. I'm going to add masala. I'll let that one. Now I'll add the eddo. Minutes to the same, we'll add boiling water. cover and continue cooking until the eddos are fully cooked. Check the eddos and they're fully cooked. So we're going to add the black tiger shrimp now and the green onion, and then we're gonna continue cooking until this dry, and then it will be done. Cover. The eddo, seime, and black tiger shrimp curry is finished cooking. Eddo, seime, and black tiger shrimp curry. Thank you for watching. Stay safe and see you in the next video. And the pumpkin is finished cooking. Here is my pumpkin curry with black shrimps served with rice. Please like and subscribe. I will include the recipe in the description below. Thank you for watching. Stay safe and see you in the next video.